Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night whenever you all watch this video. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with a DIY on a pair of earrings. I just want to run this past you, ladies and gentlemen, to let you all know that there are going to be some changes with my channel. And so I will not be uploading a DIY every twice a week. I will probably be doing one once a week, or maybe doing it every other Monday. And my reasons for that is because I have kind of fallen behind with, I'm going to say I've fallen behind with keeping things on track as far as my business, and as far as I've gotten so into YouTube that the things that's really important I've kind of put on a shelf. And so I have to get back to the grind, y'all. I have to get back to doing what I was doing to get my business really up and running and moving. So I won't be doing a DIY every twice a week. It may be once a week or every other Monday. It will not be this week. It won't be on Fridays because I'm going to be going live. I'm going to be doing my Jewelry Talk live on Friday. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Enough talking. All right, so the items that you are all going to need for this DIY is you're going to need, these are rondelle beads. You don't necessarily have to get rondelle beads to do this project, but if you want to achieve the look that I am going to show you all, you are going to need some rondelle beads, okay? So you're going to need two 8mm rondelle beads. These are just some wood beads that are flat, and I have 7 of these. You're going to need a piece of 7 inches of 20 gauge wire. No, not 7, 6 inches of 20 gauge wire, 7 inches of aluminum wire, and this is the aluminum wire that you get from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a jump ring, a fish hook, your flat nose pliers, your round nose pliers, and your wire cutter. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so basically what I'm going to show you all how to do, and I've done this technique quite, before. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our round nose pliers, we're going to make a loop just like this, and then we're going to just make a series of circles, like a series of wraps, okay? And normally what I do is I start off making a few, and then I just take my finger and just roll it, okay? Just roll it all the way up until I get completely to the end. Now, when you get to the end, you're going to have at least an inch that's going to be left, okay? Once you try to get it rolled completely up. You're going to take your round nose pliers again, and you're going to make a loop. And when you make the loop, it's going to look like a baby swan. Okay, that's what you're going to have, just like that. It is just that simple, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 20 gauge wire, and we're going to make another loop, okay? Just like that. We're going to give it a little indentation, and we're going to connect this part onto this. So we're going to take this, stick it through, just like that. And this is what you're going to have, okay? And then we're going to go and we're going to take and hold these two together. Let me show you so you can see what I'm doing. Take our round nose pliers, hold that in, push this piece up, and just twist it. Now you're going to wrap it about, as many times as you need, once, twice, however you would like to do it. We're going to snip off this excess here so we won't have anything sticking. Take our flat nose pliers and go in and squeeze that in. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding on our beads. So we're going to add one of our rondelle beads, and then we're going to add all 7 of these on. Okay, this is a real quick earring today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we're going to put all seven of these on, And this is what you're going to have. Now, these earrings are just too cute. Look at this. That's just too cute, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our last rondelle bead. We're going to put that on. And then we're going to make sure everything is in place. And we're going to make a loop. So we're going to take our finger, put it down on the bottom, if you can. Just like that, to try to hold it in place. We're going to make a loop. The loop we want to make is to the side. This loop is facing us. You want to make the loop to the side, okay? Just like this. Pinch it up. And you're going to still be straightening up your beads while you do that. Now, this is what you're going to have. Then you're going to give it a little indentation. And you're just going to start wrapping it around. Now, the more you wrap, the tighter it is going to get. Your beads and everything, they're going to stop moving. Okay? You just want to go and make your little adjustment to make sure that they are all in tune. Now, what you can do is, if you wanted to, you could put some beads like in between each one of these. But I just prefer to do it this way, okay? It is completely up to you, however you want to do it. So we're going to cut off this excess here. Go on with our flat nose pliers and squeeze that in. And this is your earring. Now, the last but not least, we're going to attach our fish hook. And here you have yourself a gorgeous, really beautiful earring, okay? So I want to thank you ladies and gentlemen for joining me. I want to thank everybody who has decided to be on this journey with me as far as me doing my handmade jewelry. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and be on the lookout for Tuesday show and tell. Y'all have a wonderful Monday. Peace and blessings. See ya.